on it. I'm gonna start by doing my edges because my hair is already gonna look a mess in this video in the process of trying to get it to what I want it to be. So my edges is gonna be the only thing that's gonna make me look nice during the process. You know what I'm saying? I have so many edge controls, guys. I have my Style Factor edge control, the Even edge control that people really like. I have the Sweetie edge control. I really like this stuff. And then I got the famous, the Rub Challenge edge control. Courtney got me this for my birthday, and I love to swoop my baby hairs and make sure my baby hairs are super swooped. So edge control is like one of my favorite things. Like edge control is like my next favorite thing after makeup. Like I love a good edge control. So I'm trying to see which one I want to use. If I had to rate these in order, I would rate the Rub Challenge edge control first, then the Sweetie one second, because this is mine. This one is to me, this one is just as good, but if I had to give this a 10, I would give this a 9.5. And this one I would give a 9. It's underneath the Sweetie one, and then the Style Factor Edge Booster is good. These ones are all good enough to where these two are good enough. This one holds my hair all day long. Like I would wear this if I had this. If this was the last choice in the world, I'm okay with that. It works. But these two, once I put them on, when I wake up the next morning, my baby hairs are still slick with these two. And this is the edge of the Rub Challenge and the Sweetie one, and then the Even one is just it's gonna give me that 24-hour hold. Like not going to bed in it, but when I put it on in the morning, when I come back home, my edges are still gonna be nice all day, even after sweating. But today I'm going to use this one because maybe it's because I have to work tomorrow, so maybe if I forget in the morning because I'm rushing to do my baby hairs, they'll already still be slick for tomorrow, and I won't. Maybe it's a step I can skip in the morning for work. So we're gonna do that first. I don't even have a mirror. Okay, so my baby hairs are done, and now you guys can see my hair. My hair is straight, and this is the hair I got done for my birthday. And if you watch the video, I just got my hair interlocked. So it's way too early because I got interlocking for my hair to be retwisted again. But I'm just kind of very bored of my straight hair. If you're a regular on my channel, y'all know I never have my hair just straightened. On my channel twice, y'all see my hair straight, which was when I got a basic retwist, and also when I got my hair interlocked this last time. So y'all know I don't wear my hair straight a lot. I don't know, like, I like it. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna say I just don't like it. It's just, I get bored of it very quickly. So I love it. Like I have really been enjoying my hair. It's long. It's all the way down my back. My hair is long. It looks healthy. It looks good. But I just get very bored of my straight hair. Like I get bored of it very quick. But let me get a thumbnail. So today is Sunday and Thanksgiving's on Thursday. So with me doing this process, I'm gonna be giving my hair 3 to 4 days to dry. I don't know if I want to take my hair out on Thanksgiving Day. I'm probably gonna take it out the day before Thanksgiving because I'm hosting Thanksgiving at my house this year. So I don't think I'm gonna have time to be able to like take my hair down, deal with that, and also do my makeup and look really pretty. Like I wanna actually, every year for Thanksgiving, I tell myself I'm gonna look really nice, and then I wind up just having on sweatpants and being cozy in my house because it's at my house. But this year, I really wanna be able to do my makeup, have on a cute outfit. Y'all know we got a new house, so our house is very big now. Our last apartment was super small, like extremely small. Like literally, our last apartment was 1/3 the size of the apartment we live in now. So this year is so much more space to look nice and actually feel like it's a reason to get dressed versus it was stupid in my old house because it was just a small space. So this year I want to look super cute for Thanksgiving. So I'm like, let me do my hair, and that's just what it's gonna be. I'm gonna show you guys everything I'm using. I have a water bottle here. This water bottle has warm water in it, and it's one of those continuous mist sprays. So like once you spray it, it just keeps the mist going. I also have some spray oil to keep my hair moisturized. And I also have 2 leave-in conditioners. I have the Argan Oil from Morocco Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner by Cream of Nature. And then I have the Carol's Daughter Anti-Breakage, Anti-Fridge leave-in conditioner. I'm just gonna basically I'm just gonna give my hair, I'm gonna dampen my hair enough to where it's wet, but dampen it enough to where it's not too wet to where I have to sit under a dryer. Like I'm gonna dampen it enough to where it's gonna allow my hair to take the form of me braiding it, but also not too much to where it's not gonna be dry in a few days and I have to sit under the dryer. So if you know your hair, when you do your hair, you would know the amount that you need to spray. So I'm gonna start off by doing half of my head at a time. This product, I want to let you guys know that this is the Better Braids Hair and Scalp Oil. It has peppermint oil, castor oil, avocado oil, and jojoba oil, and it's for basically like box braids. It's like a box braid oil, but you guys seen how like that's like a perfect spray oil, and it really does moisturize my locks, which I love, because it's like with locks, it's really hard to cover all of your locks when you spray, like when you have an oil. So I prefer spray oils and leave-in conditioner sprays because I can cover my entire head. So my whole entire head is wet. I did it half and half as you guys seen. I'm gonna start off with the side I did first just so it doesn't dry quickly because they're you know, they're individual, so it's more air getting to each lock versus when it's braided. So I'm gonna start off on this side, and to secure them, I'm using rubber bands. So I have 57 locks total, and I'm doing 3-strand braids. So I'm going to be doing, it's gonna be a total of 19 braids in my whole entire head because 57 divided by 3 is 19 even. So yeah, that's just what I'm gonna be doing throughout. And I think I'm going to braid it to where I have a part, which I think I wanna braid it to where my part is over here because I still wanna look nice. You know what I'm saying? Like I still wanna look good. So that's what I'm gonna do. We're just gonna start. So I have all my braids in, total of 19. I don't think my hair looks bad at all. I actually would wear this. I mean, I've had my hair done in plaits before, but they were done professionally by my fiance, who is a loctician. So I didn't expect these to look as good as they did. But the reason I'm doing them myself is because my hair is interlocked, like I said. So my hair doesn't need to be retwisted for a few weeks. Like I can go longer without a retwist because my hair is interlocked. Like I don't have to get my hair retwisted for like the next 6 weeks, maybe 5, because it's already been 1 week. So it looks pretty fresh at the roots, but I really wanted my hair to be crinkly, so that was my purpose of braiding it up. But I actually like this. It looks really, really cute. It looks super cute. I'm gonna wet my hair again, and I'm just gonna go over it with the water this time, because the leave-in conditioner and things like that was mainly for my moisture and the nutrients of my hair, but the wet water is just for my hair just taking the form of the braid, so it can be curly, crinkly. I don't really want to call it curly because it's not a curl, but technically curly. So now I'm just gonna basically drench my hair a lot more because I need it to set in. So over the course of the next few days that I keep my hair in these braids, it will actually settle in. I'm just gonna let this dry over the next few days. So yeah, that's as much as I'm gonna wet my hair. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna do today, guys. It looks really good though. I'm actually excited that it looks really pretty like this, because I can go the next few days. I have to go to work tomorrow, and then we have today's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thanksgiving's on Thursday. So I do want to look presentable for the next 4 days. So I'm super happy that my hair still looks fresh. And then I styled my own hair, and this is gonna be cute. So I'm getting more than one style out of this. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this in for about 3 or 4 days, and I'm going to let you guys know if anything has to happen. I'll let you guys know if it didn't dry in time and I had to sit under the dryer, and I'll let you guys know if I did 3 or 4 days. I will keep you up to par, but in my mind, I'm gonna let this air dry for the next 3 or 4 days, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna see what kind of curls I get. Okay guys, so it's been about, actually I put these in on Sunday and today is Wednesday. So it's been 2.5 days because we're only halfway through Wednesday, and I did them Sunday night. So it's been 2.5 days technically, but it's been like 4 days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, and I don't want to have to take them out tomorrow. Also, these are pimple patches I've been breaking out, so I'm trying to get that area under control. I just did my edges, and now I'm gonna take these braids out. Courtney checked them yesterday and told me that they were dry, so we should be good. They feel kind of cold, but I don't think they're wet. It's been days, like I doubt it. But Courtney said they were dry yesterday, so we'll see. I'm gonna use these small scissors. These are scissors I use to trim my eyebrows. I'm gonna use them to cut these out, and I'm being very careful not to cut my lock. If you can't be careful, don't use scissors, but I can. I'm recording. So this is the final look. It came out exactly how I wanted it to. Actually, I thought it was gonna be a little more curly than it is, but I wanted it to look like this. So it came out perfect, but I thought it would be tighter and I would have to wait for it to get like this. If Courtney would have done it, it would have come out the way I thought it would, but it came out exactly how I wanted it to be, where my hair still has this length on it, but it still has that wave. So this is perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. But I was bored of my straight hair, so I wanted my hair to have more volume, more texture. So this is what I did, and I don't really know what to call this because, well, I guess it's just a wave. I've had curly hair before, and this is not curly, this is just wavy. But I just wanted my hair to have more volume and more texture, and this makes me very happy. This is my signature. This is what I like my hair to look like most times, and yeah, that is it. So this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm about to get to my friends because kind of loud, y'all can kind of hear everybody, but I'm gonna go get to my friends and enjoy my Thanksgiving holiday. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.